Hey guys, it's Macchiatomade and we're back with another video. On today's video, we did a Juneteenth inspired look using a various amount of black owned companies. So if you're interested to see on how we got this look, please stick around. I'm so happy to have you guys back with me. For today's video, we're gonna focus solely on the eyes. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes with concealer from Juvia's Place, making sure to blend it all over my eyelids, and just kind of sealing that in with my black opal powder in the color dark to just make sure that my eyes don't crease. So to make this a little bit easier, I'm placing the colors that I'm using right on the screen. Right now I'm using that light beige color to highlight under my eyebrow bone to give it a pop. I know I'm already dancing and I just started the video. But one tip I will give you guys when you're working with eyeshadows is to make sure to constantly go back into your palette and to pick up colors to make sure that you're getting the payoff of that color that you truly want. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch as I create this eye look. If you guys want me to come back and show you guys which brushes I use for which area, please let me know. But just kind of take your time, zone out, and just be creative. So guys, this is just a quick hack. If you're using bright colors, I suggest you just use your concealer to place on top of your lid. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush, but whatever you can do to make sure that the product is evenly distributed on your eyelids, so that way when you put your eyeshadow on top, it goes on kind of smoothly. This palette that I'm using is from Colored Rain. I'll make sure to put all of the products that I've used in the description box and the sequence that I've also used them in, so they're easy for you guys to follow along. Guys, just look at the eyeshadow from this palette. It's super pigmented and it's true to color. Like, this palette is like mad fire, I'm not even gonna lie. Just a quick tip, guys, if you're blending multiple colors, I would say to choose a color that's already in the family of the one that you're doing. It's just a little bit safer and it makes it much easier to blend, which is what I'm doing right now with this color. You don't necessarily need to do it, but it makes the transition between the two colors much more seamless. This is a good example on how you place color. You take it and you pack it in sections. Instead of dragging it from left to right, you just concentrate in a section to get that pigmentation. So guys, a tip with eyeliner, I suggest you look down, and when you look down, there's kind of like, well, my eyelids kind of droop a little bit. So what I do is I like to go straight across from the inner corner of my eye straight across. So pretty much I'm not following the natural dips of my eye, but instead I'm going from the inner corner of my eye straight over. But with this eyeliner technique, I'm not dragging it all the way to the end of my eye, but more to the darkest corner of that color, so that later on I can blend the two colors together so that you will have an ombre effect of your eyeliner. So now I'm just blending the end of my eyeliner in with my eyeshadow, and this is pretty much it for the look. I'm gonna do my foundation and lashes and my hair off camera and come back. I used the Juvia's Place foundation. As you can see, you're gonna need to be matte, all right? Like, what's up with the what's up? Like, come on now. So because my face is too shiny for me, I'm gonna go in with my black opal setting powder in all of the places that you guys see, which is under my eyes and my T-zone, which is my forehead and my nose, and just go over that area with my black opal setting powder to just make sure that it's super matte the way that I like it. So once again, like I said, this was a Juneteenth inspired look in celebration of our Freedom Day and in continuation of supporting Black businesses in our community. If you enjoyed this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share. If you're new, welcome. I'll see you guys on the next video.